What up, though, YouTube? It's your boy Kelvin J, and I'm back with another video. Today, I'm gonna be talking to y'all about Pop On Veneers. Pop On Veneers is something I came across, one of those ads that just be floating on your social media, and you just gotta click it and see what's going on with it. So I came across Pop On Veneers. It was like these Pop On Veneers. They really not veneers, but they're like grills, and you pop them on, and they supposed to look like perfect teeth, right? So when I first came across it, I was like, okay, that should be interesting because my background is with grills. I used to rock metal grills for years, you know what I mean? So I've been dealing with impressions for a while. I've been dealing with rocking metal in my mouth for a while. So I was really interested to see what it was gonna be like to have a more of a flexible plastic in my mouth. The regular metal grills be kind of solid hard, but these are flexible, so I was like, maybe these would be more comfortable. I want to see what's going on with them. So anyway, I want to show her a quick little unboxing. When they sent it to me, I'm down in the DC area, so their Pop On Veneers located up in New York. When they sent it to me, I got it like the next day. I think I put my order in on Tuesday, and the veneers, the impression kit came that Wednesday, literally the next day. And then I mailed it back out that Wednesday, that same Wednesday, I mailed it back out. And then they received it that Thursday. So literally I bought it on Tuesday. I got the impression kit, sent it back, and they got it back that Thursday. It was that quick, 2 to 3 days, right? And when you get your impression kit, you get a box and everything, which I got another video I'm gonna show for that. And I'm gonna run that real quick so y'all can watch the impression kit. Once you get the putties, I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing them. Time is at like 140 on my thing, so you want to get the color dominantly blue. Try to get all the white out as fast as you can within like 20 seconds preferably, but no more than 30 seconds, which we're coming up on 30. This looks good. Go ahead and roll it out. Go ahead and rip it in half. Once you rip it in half, roll it, take the first half and stuff it in the mouth guard. Woo. Gotta be quick, man. Gotta be quick. Take the other half, roll it, put it in the mouth guard. Hope I got enough on the... Supposed to put the bigger piece on the top, but I just kind of rushed it, so hopefully I got enough. Take your pen marker, mark where your teeth gonna go, like 2 little holes, and shove it in your mouth. All right, so now while that's running, you can go ahead and I'm gonna make a separate video for that. You can click that and check that whole video out. But when you get your actual veneers, they come in, you get a little box case. They gave me this with my first set of veneers. And the reason I say first is because I did get remakes done. But so it comes with that. It comes in this box first off. You get this box. Get this cool little box. Got a little thank you in there, Pop On Veneers. You know what I'm saying? You get that up in there. And you get your teeth. Now, one thing I like that they send the molds is that you can see the craftsmanship of the designer with the molds. You know what I'm saying? I'm not about to bust it all out on here, but when they give you your teeth like this, right? You got your mold. You can take your teeth off and snap them on here, and you can see how precise they cut your mold to the design. You know what I mean? So a lot of the times, some companies, they'll try to say, oh, it's just your impression. Your impression is just horrible. Your impression is bad. Your impression is bad. But in many cases, sometimes, not even really some, a lot of cases, it's the designer. The designer don't even mold it and cut it right to this. And you can tell from popping them on here, you can see which ones don't hit the gum line. You can see which ones, don't do whatever it's supposed to do. And You know, you would think at the shop they would be able to see that before they ship it out to you. They can see that, oh, okay, this tooth is not hitting the gum line. Let's go ahead and redo that to make sure it hit the gum line on these molds. So you get your teeth mold in there. I like that they send these because you can check the craftsmanship with these. Some companies don't send you these, so you can't even check to see what mold they were looking at. But if they send you one in the mail that's messed up and you can clearly see that it's messed up when you put it on your mold, then you know they just wasn't really taking 100% of their time on it. The box also comes with a little toothbrush. A little toothbrush to come in there to brush your teeth. Mine came with a separate mirror. So mine got like a little separate mirror in there it came with. And then you got your cleaning. I only used one of these so far. You got your Polident. You got your Polident, which is like there you go, which is like a cleaning solution they use for dentures. I guess it's supposed to help keep it white. It says it's well, maybe not white, but just help keep them clean, because it said they're supposed to be stainless. Yes, you can eat in them, soft things, you know. I don't recommend eating hard things if you do eat with them. I've had like stuffed mushrooms with them, pizza. I've eaten chicken, mashed potatoes, the biscuit. What else have I eaten these things? I think that might be it. That might be all I ate in them. But grab yourself a burger, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, eat that and keep your teeth in. But make sure you go clean your teeth right after you get done eating. Go to the bathroom, clean your teeth, clean out your grill. So make sure you cleaning up your teeth right after you get done eating. I always brush my teeth and everything before, try to floss and stuff before I put the veneers in. When I got my my first set, it came in 2 weeks. Literally like 2 weeks after they received it, I received the first set. I let them know, I sent them a video, let them know what was wrong and repairing for the remakes. And I sent that to them. The remakes, they sent me back in 1 week, which I thought that was pretty dope. I was like, okay, 1 week, that's what's up. You know, compared to the first time they sent, it was 2 weeks. Second time for the remakes, it was 1 week. 1 week they sent it back. Now I was a little worried. I was like, man, they sent it back in 1 week. I really hope they took their time, because I would rather them take 2, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and then really take their time on the artistry of the cuts. You know what I mean? Versus rushing out a whole bunch of clients and getting these shipped out to all the people that's probably, you know, seeing these ads and ordering them. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm sure nobody want they cuts and they teeth rushed, but they not coming down. You know what I'm saying? They on there pretty good. Like, I can walk around, talk, all that, and they're on there pretty good overall. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get y'all to see it as best y'all can. They go all the way back just before the wisdom tooth and the last tooth, and then all the other teeth are covered. So most of my teeth are covered. I only got 2, the top and bottom teeth on each side, not covered all the way in the back, but the rest are all covered. As you can see, so you got most of the teeth covered. Don't sleep in them. Do not sleep in them. Take them out if you're about to go to sleep. You don't want to be grinding your teeth while you're sleeping. You can end up cracking them. On camera, I think they look pretty great. Like right now in this video, you know, they probably look really dope to y'all. Y'all, it probably looks outstanding maybe, you know what I mean? On like photos, pictures, you know what I mean, YouTube, you know, I think they're perfect. You know, I think they're a pretty good investment for doing on like camera and things like this. Like I think right now if I back up, you can see the distance, you know, I think they, you know what I'm saying, they look pretty real. Like I said, I posted videos on my social media and stuff, rocking them and stuff. And a lot of people be like, man, your teeth look nice. And I've gotten good compliments. So people be like, man, I'm so jealous of your teeth. They look so perfect, blah, blah, blah. So like on camera, they look good. You know, I've gotten good compliments. A lot of people ask me, are they veneers? They be like, you got veneers? You know what I mean? Like, so people think they're real veneers. I hope this kind of made a difference on whether you want to go ahead and make this purchase or not. As y'all can see, overall, I talk with them pretty good as far as like the lisp go and all that kind of stuff. And the reason I can talk with them pretty good is because, like I said, I've been wearing metal grills, which are thicker than these, you know what I'm saying? Not by a lot, but just a little bit thicker than these in some spaces. Kind of the same in some areas, but thicker. And I've been talking with those for years, so you know I got a little lisp here and there on some, like when you got your F's Foxtrot, your F's Farm, things like that. Snake, S's and F's and T's is like probably the hardest things to pronounce. But overall, you know what I'm saying, when I be talking, most people can't notice like a crazy lisp or difference. And like I said, that's because I'm just kind of used to it. I got to position my tongue differently sometimes. And like I pull my tongue back. I try to pull it back some on certain words. I try to open my mouth wider on certain words to get certain pronunciations out a little bit better. But overall, you know what I'm saying, I can talk pretty well in them. So yes, I would say if you wear them daily, especially if you wear them daily and sing in it, you know, sing your music, be in the car driving, just singing, rapping, whatever you do to yourself, over time you definitely going to get it. And don't have the music blasting. Don't be trying to sing with it blasting. Like turn the music down so you can hear yourself speaking with it and pronunciate along with the song. And that's probably like the fastest way you're gonna learn how to get that lisp on out of there. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be singing and talking, singing and talking. You know what I mean? So the lisp do go away. You know, go ahead and try out Pop On Veneers. Like I said, if your teeth is straight up jacked up, it's 100% worth it. If you got really messed up teeth, this is 100% worth it. It's a very good investment. If you're trying to take family photos, be out with your friends, whatever, really good if you got messed up teeth. If your teeth aren't that messed up and your teeth are overall pretty good, you're just looking for a brighter smile, which is where I was at. You know what I mean? I got like stains and stuff on my teeth, and they aren't like 100% straight. You know, the bottom was a little bit crooked, and I got minor gaps on the two sides, but nothing major. Overall, my teeth are pretty good compared to a lot of people out here, so I'm not complaining. I'm blessed to have good teeth. But yeah, y'all, all in all, man, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that notification bell if you haven't already, and subscribe to my channel, man. I'll be trying to drop comment. I know I've been sleeping on comment. It's just been a wild year, but stay up with me, and I'm out.